Question number 101. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement A. Microspores and megaspores are produced in the same legs in gymnosperms. Statement B. A lax is a compact strobilus which bears both microsporophylls and megasporophylls together. First option, only A is incorrect. Second, only B is incorrect. Third, both A and B are incorrect. Fourth, both A and B are correct. This question is all about the gymnosperms. See the statement A. Microspores and megaspores are produced in the same lax. What is a lax? Lax is a cone. So, the megaspores and microspores are found in the same cone or the same strobilus in gymnosperms? No. As you know, gymnosperms are heterosporous in nature. They produce two different types of spores, that are microspores and megaspores, and they produce these spores in different cones. So, this option is ruled out. B statement. A lax or is a cone is a compact strobilus, yes, which bears both megasporophylls and microsporophylls together? No. A female cone has megasporophylls, whereas a male cone has microsporophylls. A single cone cannot bear microsporophylls and megasporophylls together as they are heterosporous. So statement B also is incorrect. So both the statements are incorrect. It means the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 102. Homospory is a condition where all the spores are of similar kind. This statement implies for A. Some bryophytes, B. all pteridophytes, C. all bryophytes, D. majority of the pteridophytes. First option A and B, second B and C, third C and D, fourth A and D. Homospory is a condition where all spores are of similar kind, true, and this statement implies for all bryophytes are homosporous. So this statement implies for all bryophytes, and majority of pteridophytes are also homosporous. So this statement also implies for majority of pteridophytes. What about the all pteridophytes? No, this option is ruled out because some pteridophytes are heterosporous also, such as Marsilea, Selaginella, Salvinia. These are heterosporous pteridophytes. A. What about A? Some bryophytes? No, all bryophytes are homosporous in nature. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 103. Read the given statement. Sporophyte is a parasite over gametophyte. Above statement is true for first option Selaginella, second Cycas, third Polytrichum, fourth Lycopodium. This statement can be true for the plants in which the sporophyte is not free. The sporophyte is not dependent. Hence, it can become parasitic over the gametophytic body. In case of pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms, the sporophyte is independent and it is the main plant body. But in case of bryophytes, the sporophyte is dependent on the gametophyte and it is parasitic over the gametophyte. So you have to find out the bryophyte. Cycas, gymnosperm, this option is ruled out. Lycopodium, pteridophyte, this option is also ruled out. Selaginella, pteridophyte, this option is also ruled out. Polytrichum is a moss, is a bryophyte in which sporophyte is parasitic over the gametophytic plant body. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 104. All of the following characteristics are essential for the formation of seeds except first option, formation of dependent female gametophyte, second, heterospory, third, requirement of water for fertilization, third, requirement of water for fertilization, fourth, retention of megaspore in megasporangium until embryo development. What are the features or the characteristics which are essential for the formation of seeds? Formation of dependent female gametophyte, yes. You must have seen in gymnosperms and angiosperms that the independent existence of the male and female gametophytes is not there. Hence, they have seeds. So this is essential that formation of dependent female gametophyte is a requirement for the seed formation. Heterospory, yes. It leads to the seed formation. It is a prerequisite for seed formation. Fourth, retention of megaspore in megasporangium until embryo development. Yes, it is also an essentiality for the formation of seeds. Third requirement of water for fertilization. No, it's a primitive feature which is seen in bryophytes also. Water requirement for fertilization is not required for the formation of seeds. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 105. In embryo sac of flowering plants, egg apparatus is found which consists of: first option, 1 egg plus 2 antipodal cells. Second, 1 oosphere plus 2 synergids. Third, 1 antipodal plus 2 polar nuclei. Fourth, 1 secondary nucleus plus 2 synergids. What is egg apparatus? Before solving this question, that what is egg apparatus and what it consists of, you should know what are the cells or structures present in the female gametophyte or embryo sac of the flowering plants. So this is the egg cell present in the female gametophyte, and these two are the synergids. These two are polar nuclei, and this one is called the central cell, which is the largest cell of the female gametophyte, and these three are the antipodals. So these two polar nuclei fuse together before fertilization and they form the secondary nucleus which is diploid in nature. So egg apparatus consists of the egg cell and the synergids. One egg cell or the oosphere with synergids form the egg apparatus. So 1 egg plus 2 antipodals? No. 1 antipodal plus 2 polar nuclei? No. 1 secondary nucleus plus 2 synergids? No. 1 oosphere, that is 1 egg cell plus 2 synergids? Yes. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.